Hey everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the plan with me for Bennett's birthday party week. We had his birthday a week late because we were in Disney the week of his actual birthday. I am using the Level Up 2.0, which is the recolored version of Level Up in the bright colorway. Bennett wanted a Minecraft birthday, and I just figured this was the easiest route, and Kitten has just so kindly recolored it. I am using a bunch of rainbow foil as well as a unreleased, I guess, foil bundles. So by the time that you see this, you will have already seen the reveal for the Cyber Monday mystery. But this foil bundle is literally everything. I already have a few kits that I'm planning to use it with. And it is the shimmer format, and it is a mixed metal of the sparkly rainbow and the regular rainbow. And I am obsessed with this. I literally just can't explain how gorgeous this foil bundle is. And I plan to use it for my birthday. I used it in this spread. There's another kit that I was like, oh, I need to use it with it, but I don't remember. But there's just so many options. And also, obviously, with Cyber Monday Mystery, it's going to be beautiful, gorgeous, perfection, everything. So, yeah, I decided to kind of pull in a lot of different things. Mostly what you could see here is my overgrown roots, but I am using the black bows, which I have a obsession with, along with black bougie boxes, and I took this, it's an old bow outline, and put it around the black bows, and I think that looks really, really cool. I decided to pull in some Planet Hannah things that were rainbow, some stuff from my shop that's rainbow. I used the pixel underlays in rainbow from Planet Hannah. I thought that worked really well with the theme. And also, if you notice there, the custom quotes that I had for Bennett's birthday from Hannah's shop, there was board game quotes on it, because I'm going to just go ahead and place those with the Cyber Monday mystery. So maybe you caught on to that in the haul where I hauled those, but that is why I picked board game quotes, and that is for Cyber Monday mystery when I use that kit. Also, I don't know if you noticed here, I did turn the what are they called? The underlays upside down. So you kind of got a variant of the colors. I thought that looks really cool, especially from far away. I think up close, it's hard to tell, but far away like this, you could totally see that the pixels very and it looks really cool with the rainbow. But I have just been loving rainbow kits. I think it all sparked with that. I think it was a June mystery or something like that, where it was a summer pool party. And I think that I did orange with it, because I was trying to be safe, but those colors matched rainbow perfectly. And then I think I pulled those colors for the Pride pool party custom, I think. Yeah, and they're just literally perfection, and I am just in love with all things rainbow. I almost did color blocking, but I just think because there wasn't 7 colors, I was like, well, what do I do with the 7th day? And then I was like, might as well just mix it all together, because I think that's pretty fun with the theme. I did do a custom tall box of Bennett. This was actually drawn for his 3rd birthday, for his Barbie birthday party, and it still looks pretty similar to him. Also, it doesn't really matter, but I just color changed the shorts to be purple, and then I put a pixel pattern on the sweatshirt to make him look kind of like an ender dragon, which is one of his favorite things from Minecraft. That and the, what's its name? The warden are his favorite things, but he's just Minecraft obsessed. He builds so many crazy things that I'm just I don't know, he watches a YouTube video, and he'll see them build something, really crazy, and then he'll just go build it, and I'm I don't know, I just don't have the patience for it, and I'm just, overall very impressed. I also did use some of the Minecraft overlays that were made with this kit in mind in Hannah's shop, and I used those in rainbow as well, and I kind of cut them up and placed them all over the spread, and I just think it turned out so stinking cute and so fun for Bennett's birthday. He's also very just he loves colors and fun patterns and just being quirky, wearing crazy socks. So I think that this spread just kind of encompasses him, and it's crazy that this is for his 5th birthday, which is just kind of wild, because obviously I remember when he was born, and it feels like it wasn't 5 whole years ago, but now he's a whole 5-year-old with opinions, thoughts. He is asking math questions now, and how to spell things, what things and just how things work, and a very smart kid. Very lucky to have him. He's a sweetie pie, and let's go ahead and get into the day by day. So like I said, this isn't Bennett's actual birthday week. We were in Disney for his birthday, so we decided to do his birthday party the next weekend. So on the sidebar, I just put in that it was Bennett's birthday. I don't remember what I was going to put above that. Maybe how many weeks till Christmas, not totally sure. On Monday, I put in that I just cuddled Nick, and then I went to Target with Nick and Lila, and then this day I finished Beach Read, which honestly feels like literally like a decade ago that I read that book, but I did really, really like it. It was super cute and fun. Also this day I finished listening to Dear Girls, and that was by Ali Wong, and I also really loved that. It was super funny. It was like kind of autobiographical. Is that autobiographical? I'm not entirely sure, but also kind of like comedy. So I really, really loved that. And then I started and finished Pumpkinheads this day. I'm trying to like slyly open my water bottle, but it's just not working. Pumpkinheads is a really cute little graphic novel that I read. Very fall vibes, super cute and fun. Then I had a bad headache. I had a bad headache for like 3 days. It was like very, very strange. So I wanted to put that in. And then I woke up in the middle of the night with a headache and chills. And I literally was like, do I have COVID? Which actually right now I have COVID, which is just fantastic. But I was like, do I have COVID? And it was weird because I didn't even mention anything to Bree. And she texted me the next day saying that she had to leave work early because she was having chills, which was so bizarre. And like I tested, like I'm a tester. Like I'm just like a better safe than sorry person. My worst nightmare is like getting somebody else sick. So like I've taken so many COVID tests in my days, and now's my time to shine apparently. But yeah, it was just so weird because I woke up literally 3:00 in the morning, and I woke Nick up, and I'm like literally like chattering, chills, this super bad headache. It was just totally, totally wild for days. Then I got my lashes done this day. I think I also had a neck ache. I feel like I did. It wasn't like one of my really bad ones. I actually haven't had, knock on wood, haven't had a bad headache in a really long time. A neck ache, sorry. Since I switched to my old lady pillow, which is what I call it. It's like a memory foam pillow. Kane linked me one, and it's literally life-changing, and it also is good for my eyelashes because it doesn't like, the pillow doesn't like hit my eyes and like rub up against them. So it has been nice, and I haven't had a neck ache in, I don't know, it's been a long time. Usually I've been having them more frequently, but I haven't with this pillow. So I think it definitely has been doing me well. So I got my lashes done this day, and then I went to McDonald's because they had the Halloween pails, so I wanted to get those. And then I went home and took a nap, which was totally weird. I rarely ever take naps, like besides when I'm pregnant. Not pregnant. But I took a nap this day, and then afterwards I got Long John Silver's, which was actually my pregnancy craving. Whenever I was pregnant with Lila, I killed some Long John Silver's. And every time I think of Long John Silver's now, I think of on my way home from my tattoo, my Disney Castle one. And the Long John Silver's that I stopped at was literally the best Long John Silver's that I've ever had in my entire life. And I just think about it, and it's like so far away that I'll never stop at it again. And honestly, like I don't know if I could find it again, but it was so good. And then I just put in that I was super tired, so I laid in bed all day. On Wednesday, I wrapped Bennett's gifts, which reminds me I have to start like figuring out Christmas, like as far as like wrapping. I have everybody's presents basically done. I wanted to go, me and Hannah were supposed to go to World Market and get some stocking stuffers for Nick, but I'm not going anywhere. I am stuck at home. So that's off the table for right now. But other than that, everyone's like done. So I just need to wrap presents. So I think I might start kind of like organizing everything tomorrow and maybe start wrapping some if I feel up to it. I might just start with like Kirsten's and Nick. Well, not Nick, because Nick already got his birthday present, but Kirsten's birthday presents. So I might start with that and like Lila's birthday presents. Did you really get her anything? Because like she's not like really interested in anything. I got her like a book. I don't think I got her anything else. I got her like her birthday and Christmas are so close. It totally sucks for her and Nick. But I'm like, she's one, so I don't think she'll care. Plus, she'll get presents from other people. So I just got her a book. I think I'm just going to save the rest for Christmas because that'll be easier. But yeah, I wrapped Bennett's presents this day. We went to Lila's doctor appointment. I think it was just like a regular scheduled program. It might have been a COVID shot. Not entirely sure. Then I just cuddled in bed, and then we had Whataburger for dinner. Hannah was over and we watched The Handmaid's Tale. Then on Thursday, I had breakfast tacos, which this started the breakfast taco kick again. So we're pretty sure. So there's this hole in the wall taco place, and it's so good. They're breakfast tacos, they're regular tacos. But it's always kind of like complicated to order. Like, it's just kind of like you don't know how long it's going to take. It might take forever. It might be no time. So, like, you could get there and it had been done for a long time. You could get there and it not be done for a long time. But we're pretty sure we figured out that they supply tacos to, like, a local coffee place that Nick's likes. So we just get them there now. But I have been re-obsessed with breakfast tacos and with, like, sriracha on them. It's everything. Then the boys had a doctor's appointment this day. And then also this day, I had lost a video. I don't remember what exactly happened. I think, yeah, I remember. So overnight, I had set a video to upload. And normally videos on our internet upload within, like, if it's like a really long one, it's less than an hour. So I just set it before I went to bed and just, like, plugged my computer in and walked away. In the morning, I didn't even think to look, like, if it finished uploading. So I just, like, kind of closed out the tabs and, like, then I emptied my trash can because I was just trying to be a good girl and, like, keep my desktop clean and, like, empty my trash can and be, like, a upstanding citizen. And then I went and looked at my YouTube channel and the video was, like, it said, like, uploading 70%. And I was like, what the F? And I was so mad. And then Nick was like, well, I don't know any of this stuff. It was like, you're backed up to the cloud or something. And I'm like, oh. So he's like, I could probably get it back. So he did end up getting it back, which was really awesome because I had been really upset. I spent all the time, like, working on this video, editing this video, did the description, and then it just, like, disappeared. So I'm very happy about that. Thanks so much, Nicholas, even though he doesn't watch my videos. Maybe one day. Who knows? Then I went to Walmart and I gave Bennett some gifts. I just wanted to get, like, a couple of, like, little things. But I have been noticed he's been taking an interest in drawing. So, and I am big on, like, teaching kids responsibility, like, little at a time. And we don't normally let them play with, like, Play-Doh, slime, markers, etc. anywhere besides the kitchen, supervised, because especially Theo, he's sneaky. So I got Bennett some markers and, like, coloring pads for his room, like, Crayola washable ones. And I was like, this is a test. Like, you know, we only color in the coloring books, and we haven't had any issues. But he has been obsessed with it. I came home and Nick was like, why did you get him markers for his room? Like, he's not going to care about that, but he's used them, like, a ton. He loves it. We always, like, go upstairs and he has these, like, elaborate drawings drawn out, and it's, like, always Minecraft stuff. And, like, he drew a hurricane house, which I don't even know what that means. He's also obsessed with tornadoes and hurricanes. I took a bath this night. On Friday, I made pasta salad because we were having the party. And I was like, I feel like we have enough food, but I feel like we need, like, one more thing. Pasta salad is so easy. I could eat it before and after the party. And it's always just, like, something everybody likes. So I made a bunch of pasta salad. Nick went and got I think he might have finished his tattoo this day. Yeah, he finished his tattoo this day. His Haunted Mansion one. And then my in-laws came over for dinner and we got Fortune Garden, which is our favorite Asian Chinese kind of takeout. They have, like, other stuff besides Chinese food, but I think when you look online that they, like, advertise as Chinese food. But the dish that I get is technically, I think, Vietnamese. So good. And everything there is always hot. Like, not spicy hot, but, like, you get things to go and it's always, like, hot, fresh, like, ready. Like, it just came off of, like, some kind of pan. It is perfection. Me and Nick are always just like, this is the place. This is the place to be. Then Bennett was just in a mood this day about a cookie. And then I bleached Nick's hair for him this day. And then the people that we have do balloon arches came. They're super nice. They are like a sister-in-law kind of duo, and they always come, like, the night before and install everything. And there are balloon arches, like, I'm sure all of them do, but they last, like, if we left that thing up, they would last, like, weeks and weeks and weeks and still look, like, not at all deflated. But yeah, awesome stuff. So that is what happened that night. On Saturday, it was Bennett's party, so we kind of prepped for the party, got ready. I set everything up as far as, like, the helium balloons, the table, any, like, decorations otherwise, set up, like, where the food was going to be. And then it was just Bennett's birthday party. We had cake. He opened gifts. I had a kid contest with Brian. I know Kirsten's rolling her eyes right now, but Brian and me, we just get into little who's can do this better type situations. And he was like, or I don't know if I was like, he was like, I don't even know how we got on. I think it was about being flexible. And I was like, I could kick higher than you. Or he was like, I could kick higher than you. But I could kick higher than Brian. Just want to set this record straight here. Then we went over to my neighbor's house because they were having like a Halloween party, which was so crazy. They had like tons of food and games, and they had the whole house set up like a trick-or-treat, a stop in every room. It was popping. There was kids everywhere. It was pretty cool to have, like, it feels like where I've moved now, we have like kind of a community, and like it's nice. So that was fun. And then I just put in that I was so tired because it was such a long day. On Sunday, we had Starbucks in Monument for breakfast, which is always a banger. That's always by Bennett's request. He is always like, I want dippy eggs and sausage, gravy, and potatoes, and that's Monument. Then I just hung out with the family, and Bennett was again in a mood. He was going through something. I don't know, maybe like it was like correlated with a growth spurt, but for like a couple of weeks there, he was just real testy, just like kind of whiny, but also maybe it was like a growth spurt that was affecting his sleep. And like my kids, I don't know about y'all's kids, my kids need so much sleep. And if they don't have sleep, they are like terrors. They just are not happy humans, kind of like their Snickers bar. But also Theo is also one of the ones that like needs to constantly be eating or he loses his mind. But if they don't have like 12 hours of sleep, my kids are not friendly people. So yeah, I don't know if like he was just like something was going on. Maybe he didn't feel good, wasn't sleeping well. I don't know. Didn't get that vibe, but also you never know. Then I filmed a bunch of wax videos that day. I also filmed a lot of wax videos today. I filmed actually 2 book videos. I am doing this voiceover. I filmed a plan with me. I did a kit, like put it all together and sent Kirsten the files. Did my custom scripts today. I did my listings. I did my email. I did I think 4 or 5 videos otherwise for my other channel. Honestly feel on a stinking roll today. And I also like took a break, ate some chicken wings, watched Kane's video. But yeah, and then we went to my in-laws and they made beef stir fry and it was delicious. So good. And then I finished Wild at Heart this day, which I think I gave like a 3 out of 5. I'm just at the point where I just want to finish the little series that they have going on and then the novella and call it a day. But that, my friends, is everything for this week. I hope that y'all liked it. I think it turned out so stinking cute with the rainbow. I am just so obsessed with it. I don't think I ended up doing glitter header overlays. I think I like it without it. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I don't know. But I hope you like this video. Thank y'all for watching, and I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye!